Hello and welcome back to this tutorial. This is tutorial number 6 and it's a brief tutorial. It's about how to check whether your function works fine. We use a method called assert. To begin with, we need to write a function. So we start with the same old function that we had, and we wrote a function to calculate AT content in the previous session. Now we use the same function. So you write down def AT counter and DNA for short. Here we write the calculations, we make the calculations here. We could say dna.count adenine plus dna.count thymines, and then we divide this by the length of DNA. This is all what we've got to do. We return AT. We can round it up, but for now we don't do that. Now, if you'd like to test this, write down AT counter and you give it a DNA sequence. This gives you 0.5. So this 0.5 is basically what we expect. There is a method called assert method. You write assert and the expected output. This is the expected output. If it doesn't return anything, it means that your function is fine, because by default, assert returns true. So if it's like this, it is true. However, if you write down 0.4, it expects an error. So there is a problem. Address this error called assertion error. So you need to check your function. But since 0.5 is exactly what we expected, it's fine. This is how you test your functions using assert method. Thank you.